Welcome back everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the media room. Check it out. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Omar Espinoza. I am a video production teacher here in Oxnard, California. And like I mentioned in the intro, I'm going to be showing you our media room. This is a room that I've been organizing and building for the whole year, and I finally feel comfortable enough to show it to you all because it was a mess. But without further ado, let's check it out. All right, and there we have it. This is our media room. The sound system right here. We have an organizer right here, which is gonna house any camera parts, SD card readers, things like that. There are markers, there are other things that I need to clear it up, but that is it. We got some camera bags up there. Our editing station, well, one of them. Here we have a Blue Yeti mic, which is awesome for voiceovers, if you want to do tutorials, anything like that. Sound effects, you know, the Foley sounds. Here is the editing station, like I mentioned, 3 screens. Some stools for our students if they want to go ahead and write up some ideas, storyboard, whatever they want to do. Our lights, looks like they're in trouble. And here we have our green screen, which I need to get more of those clips. And that is where we're going to be able to take out those creases. Here we have some cases for computers. We are actually getting some MacBook Airs, which I'm very excited about. And yeah, that is it. That is our editing room. Having a lot of fun with the students and definitely really exciting to see them grow.